This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Edgar Monge. This charming two-story Cape Cod home in Larchmont has a full privacy fence and a converted garage, great for home gym, with a frog-only area with carpet. New plantation shutters and window coverings. First floor primary bedroom has a sliding barn door accessing the closet with new built-in closet system. 2 bedrooms upstairs with full bath. Hardwood/LVP floors throughout. Shiplap dry bar. Wood-burning fireplace. Stainless steel appliances/quartz countertops. Soft close kitchen cabinets/Lazy Susan. Recessed lighting, drop-down lights. Keyless entry door lock. Utility room with access to back patio, and a French door accessing the wooden deck. Your new home is centrally located to shopping centers, restaurants, interstate, Old Dominion University, and quick access to military installations. For more information, review the details below.